Namaste children. Last time we have done mushroom drawing. As weather is beautiful, the same way we have turned to the nature also. The nature look very beautiful. Today we will do some different work. Draw first C and D. It's a circle. Now you will draw two straight lines up and down. Now you will add two more lines slipping way. In between cross you will draw another two lines. The same way you will go in this direction also. What is look like? Sun. Yes. Now we change the sun into the flower. So you will draw a deep cut C. Properly round and draw. While doing drawing, keep in mind your all straight lines should be equal size. This is a one. You can draw one more C plus D. Draw straight line. Same way. Do it with me together so you will not do the mistake. Yes. Again cross line. Again this way. First is the sun. Sun is turned into the flower. We have done two flowers, one more corner. Again we will fill up. Two straight line, two slipping line, two cross line, again the cross, sun, deep cut C. Now what? Draw two rhythmic lines. Draw leaf, big size. The same way for both the sides. While doing this flower, one more point I want to add. If I will draw circle, I will draw two lines and then one line is a short and I will draw anyhow the line's direction. And if I will do this way, the straight, it will not look nice. It will not look like a flower. So again, properly remember the step. Circle, two straight line, equal size, two slipping line, equal size, cross properly and properly deep cut C. Hope you understood perfectly. Just complete the pencil work, outline with marker, sketch pen and be ready. Next time I will show you a nice shading with coloring. So wait for me. be ready with outline work. See you soon. Have a nice day. Have a great day.